So URL. So URL means Uniform Resource Locator. So URL is basically the website URL. Okay, we are all the time we are calling this. This is the URL. See. So how we can break a URL? This is the protocol. See, first part is protocol, then domain, then port, then path, files, param equals to image. So this is protocol. So protocol, most of the time you will see this only like this HTTP or HTTPS. Like you will see like this HTTP. HTTP means web application is working in the port on the port 80, and HTTP means port 443. Port 80, and this will work on port 443. So basically for port 80 is insecure. So most of the time, like see what happen nowadays, this Chrome have the policy where like our website is directly redirect to the HTTPS. Okay, so this is work on. So this is protocol. Then other is domain part. So we already understand like what is the domain. Domain is basically name. Okay, so domain, then port. Okay, path. So this is the path. Okay, so this is very easy. I think everyone can understand. Okay, so web application technologies. So we already did this HTTP and HTTPS. HTTP means this is port 80, or HTTP means HTTPS port 443. Like if they don't give anything, that time this means like if they give you the port, then we like, and you can also see like this pcs.com like this. This means like already they given you the port. So port 8080, 80, 88, 88. Okay, and you can also see like this HTTP as okay, or like this 8181. Okay, so HTTPS. So if they will give you the HTTPS or HTTP, otherwise see we don't know like this port is secure or not. But port 443, this is always secure, or we don't know about these ports. Like if they will give you the HTTP, means this is not secure, and if they will give you the HTTPS, then that is secure. Okay, HTTP request and headers. Okay, so let's start Bob. So I'm opening a temporary project because we are not doing bug hunting. Just I'm showing you something. Otherwise, like if you are doing the bug hunting on a big project, always create a project. Okay. So this is a web application, tcrsecurity.com. So let's since everything is okay. This is okay. Open the bug. Let's try to capture request. So HTTP request and headers. So see this is the request. Okay, get request. See this is get request, and this is the response. Okay, and these are the headers. So this is host header. So host header, always you will see the domain name, host header, domain. This is cookie header, and this is the value of cookie header, and this is cache control, and these headers are related to Chrome, this Chrome browser, and this is user agent. So user agent means which browser is they are using. So currently browser is the Chrome. See Chrome 124.0.0.0. And accept means what type of language this website is accepting. Okay, and other is like connection close live, and we will learn more about this in HTTP request smuggling or other attacks. Okay, these are headers: host header, cookie header, cache control headers. So these are headers before this colon. So we will learn the host header attack and cookie learn about cookies in session related to session attack, cache control. This most of the time we will see this cache control in web cache poisoning. Okay, user agent is the what kind of browser web application is using. So you can also see the other kind of headers. Okay, in like if see some website are using these headers. So these are the permanent these user agent, cookie and host header. But some website have like CSRF. You can also see like this CSRF and something value here. So this is see CSRF header, HTTP response and header. So this is the response. Okay, and these are headers. Server header, like what kind of server they are using, SCDN. See, don't believe this always. Sometimes what happen, these websites are using this fake server header. So not always like, okay, if they give you the server, then don't think, okay, this is always right. Sometimes they will give you the fake value or distract you. Okay, so this is server header, date, okay, connect, content type. So you will also see like if application using the sending some kind of data, like okay, through post request. Post request, then you will see this content type header also here. Content type may be like HTML, okay, text HTML, application JSON, okay, and other part. This is most of the time you will see this UTF-8, okay. And if let's say this depends what kind of data you are sending. Text means content type is text. Okay. And if you are sending the application JSON, then it will be JSON. Okay. Application PHP, it may be sometimes. Okay. So we will see these things in the next session. Then I will explain more. Okay. So these are the response header. X powered by means this application is using the PHP 8.1.27. Okay, and platform is Hostinger. Content security policy is this. Okay, so these are HTTP response and headers. So HTTP request methods. So see, you will see the methods also. So this is the method. This get, post. Okay, you will see like last time there is get method. So get method will use for fetching the content. Like if we want to fetch the content of a web application, then we will use this get method. Okay, post means see get method. So don't try to memorize them, just try to understand them, like what they are doing. A get method, application wants to fetch, like retrieve data or a resource from a specific URL. It is used to retrieve information without modifying it. Means like if you see what we are doing here, retrieving data. See, this is the data retrieving from the web application, retrieving or fetching the data, okay, without modifying. Other is post. Post means like when we do the login, we are sending the data, submit data or creates a new resource on the server. It is used to send data to the processed by the server. It often result in the creation of a new resource on the server. So see, when we do the login, then you will see the post request. Okay, put, like we want to update. So most of the time you will see the get and post, and sometimes you will see the put, delete, patch. Okay, put. So update, like if you want to update some resource on the web application, then we will application can use the put. And sometimes what happen, we can use this for exploiting put method and delete method. deletes the specific resource, means like we can delete some sensitive, then this is very dangerous, and this goes to the p1 p2 bug, like put and delete and patch also. So partially update the existing data. So see, from this we can update whole data, but from fetch we can update the data partially data. Okay, the patch request does not create a new resource if the specified resource does not exist on the server. So head, so this retrieve only headers. Head means like we want to see only headers, these headers. So you can use this head method. See, now we are saying only headers, no content is there. And options method, this is very useful method. Options method will tell us like what kind of method, these methods we can use options, and you will see. Okay, options method give the result of get method, but most of the time you will get the result in like what kind of method we can use here. See, there are many methods: get, post, put, delete, patch, options, trace, connect. But option method will give you, okay, the supplied option method here. Options, and you will get result in the, okay, like web application you can use. Application gives you what kind of methods you can use, you can use get, you can use post, you can put, means. So like if you will see, okay, application you are using the put method, then we can use this put method for exploiting purpose. Or maybe you will see the delete method, then we can use this delete method for exploiting that web application. Okay, other are trace method. This trace or connect method are most of the time not useful for us, but they are using for the you can say like diagnosis purpose. Okay, status code. So status code, this is a status code. See this 200. Okay, so see, this will go like one xx means after one, or you will get something, then informational. After two xss means after two you are getting like 200 201 success, that means success. Okay, after 3, that is redirection, application is redirecting to the other resource or other application. And 4 xss means a client side error, matlab we did something here and that disturbed the client side application, disturbed in the client side, so that is client side error. And if we disturb something and that affect the server side, and then we are getting the server side error, that is 5 xss. So this is, see, 1 xss means informational, 2 xss matlab after 2 if you are getting something, that is you most of the time we will say this 200 and 201. So 200, okay, means success, and 201 means created. Okay, so you will see here written here like currently is okay is there, then in 201 this is created, and 301 is redirected, and 302 is temporary redirection, like this. Okay, 401 is like bad request, 503 is like server error. Okay, JSON. See, last time we did this like application JSON, like content type application can use this content type here. See, I told you application JSON. So that means we can send the application is sending data in JSON. So this is, see, this is very easy. This is written in like key value pair, let's say name, name Ranveer. So this is, see, key, and other is let's say class, a class. So see, this is very easy. So this is JSON. So I think everyone can write this. So this is very, very easy. See, like if we you will see like this in application, like user email password. When application are using, then they are using this JSON also that time. See, this is the JSON. So let's say this is an email. So this is JSON. So there are many type of attacks we can perform on JSON. If application using JSON, then we can use. So this is very easy to understand language. So application using this for sending the data or retrieving the data. You will also see this JSON in response also sometimes here. Okay. So JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. Same origin policy. So same origin policy, what is this same origin policy? Same origin policy restricts a script on one origin from accessing data from another origin. Means this is a website tcrsecurity.com. This is tcrsat.com. So see, we are accessing both websites in one browser. So because of this same origin policy, see, this website cannot see the content of this website, and this website cannot see the content of this tcrsecurity.com because of this same origin policy. So this will help us into the, like, see, last time when this is not this, we don't have the same origin policy, means they can access the data. See, this website can access the data from here, means this website owner can find out, okay, like what website you are browsing and what are you doing in the another tab, but because of this same origin policy. See, so how we can find out, okay, like this websites, the website have the same origin or not? Like if we have the two websites, and how we can find out, okay, these two websites have the same origin or not? So for that, see, what we need to match first is schema, otherwise last we call this protocol, like HTTP or HTTPS. Schema, domain and port number, all things must be matched. See, let's see, for example, other is this. See, this is example.com and this is also example.com, but there, see, this is on HTTPS and this is on HTTP. So because of that, their origin is different. See, they must have the same, like this is schema and domain part and port. So on this, see, I already told you HTTP means port 443 and HTTP means port 80. So they have different port. Because of that, means, see, they both are same, but their origin is different. Means this website cannot access the data from this website. Like if we are using we are accessing this website in one browser, so this cannot access this data and this cannot access this website data. Okay, even see this path, or like you can say like this URL part, we don't care about this. Like if they are different, see, like let's see this HTTP normal website.com example this. So yes, same schema, domain and port. See, schema HTTP, domain normal website.com. See, this other part is different, then okay, that is okay. We need to match only schema, domain and port. And let's see about this HTTP colon this. See, schema is same, domain is same, and we don't care about this. Okay, other, okay, let's see about this HTTPS. So this is HTTP and this is HTTP. So they are different. So their origin is different, means they cannot access each other's data. So this is different. Let's say about this HTTP. So see, this is subdomain en dot normal website.com. So this is subdomain, means this is also have a different origin. Let's see about this. Okay guys, one thing I tell you, I think you see most of the time these both websites are different. See, this is tcrsac.com only, and this is www.tcrsac.com, means this is the subdomain of this www.tcrsac.com. So both are different. So because of this, this is different, www.normal.website.com. So this website normal.com and www.normalwebsite.com are different. So this happened with me on Bugcrowd. What happened on Bugcrowd? And when I started bug hunting, so they have only only one target for bug hunting. So that time I am beginner. Okay. So what happened? I find out a bug on this. On this. So see, this is out of scope bug. So don't think like this and this are same. They are totally different. See, this is bug only bugcrowd.com and this is www.bugcrowd.com. So if you find out bug on this and they are written okay like this, only this is on in the target or like for hunting, then you can hunt only this. If you are report the bug on this, then this is out of scope. Okay, so I reported bug on this and that is out of scope. When I started bug hunting, yeah, I am also beginner that time. Okay, so see, and this is also different. See, this is port is different. Okay, so this is same origin policy, SOAP. In short, we will call it SOAP policy. SOAP, same origin policy, SOP, SOAP sessions. So web applications using the sessions, and why they are using the sessions? See, we are sending the request and other like see, currently I am sending this request, or maybe like I am accessing something here, like okay, what I did, I log in through this email. Okay, let's say I log in this email. So how they can identify it? Okay, like this Devendra Singh is accessing this website, or maybe like Ved is accessing website, or just Raj. So they are differentiating that through the cookies. These cookies through or sessions. So they are setting up the session in the cookie. Through that they find out okay, currently Devendra Singh is accessing something, like I am accessing the Hindi course. So they can understand okay, this user is accessing the Hindi course and this user is accessing the English course, and this is that user, this is that user. So they are understanding from that sessions. Otherwise it like how they can find out okay in the backend, then they have only one server. Okay, let's see. This is us server. I'm sending a request for accessing the Hindi course. Okay, and I am getting the request response. But how they find out this? Like they like in the same time, Jasraj also sending the request for English course and getting the response. Means Jasraj sending the request for accessing the English course, and I am sending the request for Hindi course. So how they are identifying? They are identifying through the sessions. That from that session they can understand okay, this Devendra is currently trying for accessing the Hindi course, and Jasraj is trying to access the English course. Okay, so that time application is using sessions. Course. So course, what is this? Course means cross origin resource sharing.
Devendra bhai, will we be like attacking
Okay, the course. So what is this course? Cross origin resource sharing. So course means sometimes see, this is the same origin policy. You can say like we websites are using course for bypassing this same origin policy. See, every time, see, that is not possible. See, these both website are mine. See, this is also mine, and this is also mine. www search. So I want to like, okay, this website can access data from there, and this website can access data from there. So for that, we can use the course. Means we set up a policy in the backend. Then from that, this website can access data from there and there. Okay. We also learn the course bug. Okay. This is all about today. Thank you, everyone.